What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video, and I hope you guys are having a great Christmas day so far today. Now, I did say I wasn't going to make a video, guys, so I did lie to you, but I thought, I have some extra time, free time here before I got to go on to my next endeavor today, so I might as well pop out a quick video on Ethereum for you guys. So if we jump right on into the chart here, let's not waste any time on today's video. We are forming this rising wedge pattern, which in the past that we'll look at, on our current rise up, has often led to actually uptrends after we break out of these patterns. You guys can see on the top, we've actually gotten make it 4 touches on the top, and on the bottom, we've gotten 3 touches on the bottom. So you guys can see the significance. This is a confirmed pattern to me with 3 touches on both sides, and these tend to break up to the upside, right? And right now, we are making our way back up to the upside on the daily chart. Now, if we actually scroll down here, you guys can see back here earlier during this bull market, we had this rising wedge that played out and made us go up to the upside, right? We pumped out of it, came back down, touched it as support like we want to see. We want to see that old resistance, turn into new support, which it did. And we got a big pump up to the upside, going from 430 to about 630. So great pattern there. And if we scroll back over here, all the way back in 2018, this was kind of our reversal point after our big capitulation, where we had this rising wedge, right? And it ended up pumping us up to the upside, as you guys can see here. So that's 2 patterns for you guys right there, where these rising wedges ended up going up to the upside. And we're currently in another one now, and I think this one will go up to the upside as well, with just how bullish the crypto market is at the moment. Now, doesn't mean it has to go up to the upside, guys. We could capitulate and go down at any time. We could capitulate and go down at any time, guys. Now, keep in mind, we're going to look at later in this video where the 20-week moving average is, but it's at a pretty significant point where it would make sense for us to have a pullback. So we'd switch on over to that chart, guys. This is the 20-week moving average, and currently right now, as we speak, it is at about 470, right? Which would make perfect sense because it's right where our wick was, right about here, is where the 20-week moving average. So if we did break that this wedge, if we ended up maybe coming back up to the upside real quick, right, getting rejected and then breaking down, it is possible that we come back down to that 20-week moving average as it's coming across, right? So that would make perfect sense, kind of flipping our old resistance as new support like we like to do in the bull markets. Now, let's go look at what's also going on. So not only is the 20-week moving average slowly creeping up to where we are, we also have a little bit of bearish divergence. You guys can see on the RSI, we've gotten lower lows, but on the price action, we've gotten higher lows. So that is a little bit of a bearish factor. Just have to point that out to you guys. I like to stay 50-50 on these. I'm trying not to be a moon boy in my videos, even though I'm a long-term bull. Sometimes it's really hard not to be a moon boy, but I need to point out some of the bearish technicals to you as well, because there is a couple going on with this RSI here, and also that we're pretty extended from the 20-week moving average. Not that we haven't been before, right? But we're almost $100 or $200. Or 33% over the 20-week moving average. So a pullback is expected sometime soon. But as you guys know, we've been saying that for, since, probably June, where we're like, all right, maybe we need a pullback. Maybe we need a pullback. Hasn't came, at least for Bitcoin. We've gotten decent sized pullbacks for the altcoins, but not really so much as of late. So that's kind of the, the bullish, the bearish, for Ethereum as far as price action goes. I wanted to quickly also look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart here. Obviously, you guys know, which is so huge for the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we did break out of this rising channel here, and then we're continuing down to the downside. Now, we need to hold support at this green line that we're currently at now. You guys can see the significance of this green line going all the way back here in 2017, obviously back here in 2018, and then all throughout this period as well. This is just such a huge critical area of confluence, even going back here. If we do end up breaking there, we have a 20% downside, down to the 0.022 mark, which would, if we end up eventually breaking that, getting squeezed in between here, break that out of that, it's a 20% where Bitcoin will gain 20% on Ethereum. We don't want to see that as Ethereum holders, but Bitcoin holders might like that. I know you guys, a lot of Bitcoin maximalists watch my channel as well, not just altcoin people. So a lot of you guys will like that. But you guys can see we're almost sort of, after we had a downwards channel, upwards channel, maybe we're starting to make a downwards channel again, where the top is kind of confirmed, where we keep getting rejected at this resistance line here. Bottom, not so much yet. Honestly, it could be, something weird like this, maybe coming down. It's not really confirmed yet, but that could be it could make sense as a bottom if we keep coming back down, touch it as support, and also that green line, and maybe get a pump back up to the upside. So that would make a lot of sense if we were in this downwards channel after being an upwards channel. Hope not, guys. We hope not. We want to see Ethereum get a nice move back up to the upside with Bitcoin. Honestly, for my personal portfolio, I would be perfectly happy with this chart just going sideways here, because you guys know I'm heavily invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, both. So I wouldn't mind sideways action here, if not, slightly downwards to the side, right? Because majority of my stack is in Bitcoin, but I do hold a lot of Ethereum as well. So I don't want to see Ethereum just bleed. That's not always a good thing, but just wanted to point that out, guys. That's basically the video. Just a quick video on this Christmas Day. I don't want to waste too much of your time. If you guys are watching this video on Christmas Day, get off YouTube, go do something. FaceTime your mom. If your guys already done that, then go ahead, just keep watching YouTube. But hope you guys had a fantastic day today. I had a good day today as well. Thanks for asking. I saw you guys' comment section below yesterday's video telling me Merry Christmas. It really does make my day when you guys leave nice comments down there in the comment section below. It really, really, really makes my day. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.